Imagine being a student in university. You enter school with high hopes. You pick a degree you think you'll enjoy. You attend class several days a week, come home to readings that you have to do before class in the morning while making time for friends and family and a part-time job you might not enjoy, you're not sleeping, and to top it off, the thought of graduating excites you, but scares you too. With all that's going on in a student's life, it seems like the only time they've got to think about their purpose and the impact they want to make is months before they graduate. But with their professors as their most trusted advisors by their sides, we can show students that a career is something within them, not another chore they have to do. And at the Career Center, we'll help them along the way. We'll ask them, how can we help? Do they want to save the world, save a community, save individuals one at a time? If they're not sure, we'll show them that the skills they've got now and the experiences they've collected will guide them to where they're meant to be. That job they might not like now is packed with experiences that'll support them in their future. It's all a matter of perspective. Once they know what they're capable of, it's easier for students to see where these skills and experiences can take them. They might land a job that didn't exist a few years ago, or they could be going to grad school. A degree and a career doesn't necessarily equate to a specific job or a position. Let's remind students that their degree isn't a limitation, but a door to various opportunities. When students get specific about what they're looking for in a career, it also makes it easier for them to target the positions they want. And to do that, they're going to need to know how to impress on paper and in person. Mock interviews and resume reviews are great ways to make sure students are articulating what makes them a great candidate for the career they want. Finding people who share their vision is another great way for students to find the perfect opportunity. Connecting with like-minded people, whether they know them or not, is easier now more than ever with the help of networking events and, of course, LinkedIn. We'll show them how to connect with the alumni that everyone talks about, because here at York, we believe that there's something to learn in everybody.
Hey, so we made it to the Career Center. If you need any help building CVs, finding a job, any career tips whatsoever, this is the place to go.
Big thanks to the awesome people at York University's Career Center for guiding me throughout my career journey ever since I was a second-year student.
Hi, my name is Riam, and I remember finding out about the Career Center in my third year. I think the best part about the Career Center is the fact that students get to receive one-on-one support with career counseling and resume and cover letter help on appointment basis. I think what really attracts students to the Career Center and is not really well known is the career conversation panels, the information sessions, the career fairs. Students get to either interact with alumni, recent graduates who are currently in the workforce. I think that was pretty amazing, and being able to interact with people who were able to do that was the best part for me.
Hi and Assalamu Alaikum. My name is Kashif Zishan and I am a recent graduate of York University from Emergency and Disaster Management degree program. After completion, I was clueless that how to make resume and the cover letter. Thanks to the Career Center of the York University that they arranged multiple workshops for students like us to start our new career in the Canadian market.
Hello, my name is Chad Daschle, and I have used the Career Center services for many things over the years, ranging from applications to grad school to trying to get a job in today's market after grad school. I have found their workshops immeasurably useful. They showed me how to craft the perfect personal statement for grad school, and even along the way helped me navigate the complex job market during the pandemic. I recommend the Career Center to everyone, my students and my colleagues, because their workshops definitely will change your life.
They say, a career isn't a sprint to a finish line. It's a never-ending marathon. And if a student needs help training, they've got their professors and the Career Center at York. We're the bridge between the skills and the knowledge they already possess and the impact they hope to make with their brilliant minds. With everything a student accomplishes at York, they'll be pursuing what they value the most while being good at it.